What up, y'all? It's your boy. If y'all haven't subscribed, man, click that subscribe button. It's right up there. Check your boys out. I just saw this video. I have to put this in the description box so y'all could check this out, man. This dog was rescued, and a news reporter was basically congratulating the dog, happy for the dog that the dog was okay, and that's cool, man. I know it's a lot of pet lovers out there, especially a lot of dog lovers out there, man. I like dogs too, man, but whenever you get in somebody's space, man, I guess that dog thought that his space was being invaded by that lady, man. So the dog decides, I guess, maybe it was his instincts, he bites the lady, man. And man, you know, this is a familiar story to me because I have a friend and the same thing happened to one of my friends, man. Matter of fact, the dog almost took one of my friend's heads off, man. So people have to be reminded, man, you got to be careful around pets. Pets are not humans, man. You got to be careful around pets. Pets have instincts and they react, man. So, you know, the lady had a face like close to this dog, man, and this dog reacted, man, and hopefully the lady is okay. But I mean, I don't know what's gonna happen to this dog. I don't know if they thinking about doing something to this dog, you know, but I want to know what y'all think about this, man. Leave your thoughts and comments in the comment section below, man. And if you hadn't seen the video, check it out. It's your boy, man. I'm out. Peace.